I'm reviewing another human hair wig, and this is from Beyonce. It is a bang bob. This is so cute on. Look at this color, and this is in the window. So this is just like a honey blonde with highlights throughout it. The dark cap really gives it that illusion of having rooting underneath it. So just great budget friendly with these features, and machine made, so it has no lace to cut, no lace. If you're afraid of that, this is it. This comes in about 4 different colors and 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large. It has the silk top to give the illusion of scalp. On top, it has bra strap adjusters. So let's get her on and pop my head in, and just like that. Now you'd want to go in and push your grays back up under there, but I would go back, if I was wearing this right out today, I would use some of my powder. I have root powder. I'll share a link down below in my Amazon shop that you can check that out. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Let's give this a 360. This is so gorgeous. It's pretty much out of the box, except I did need to trim the bangs. They don't know how long your forehead is, measurements. So this came a little bit longer. What you want to do is trim it, or just go to a hairstylist and they'll trim it for you. And what I do is I use my glasses as where I need to cut. So I just cut it and trim it and trim and trim and trim, cut up in a little bit, trim, and I get it to where I've trimmed it, which just above my glasses and frames my eyes. So that's kind of how I do it. If you're not comfortable with that, just take it to a hair salon. So this is 12 inches. It's silky straight, as you can see, and it came this way. So it's just perfect right out of the box, but you're going to be able to wash it. You're going to be able to blow dry it out, style it if you want some curl in it. I think a bang looks good with straight hair. So, but you can really bump it up, maybe some more, and curl the bangs under, give them some lift if that's what you want. But I really love this look. There's nothing like turning back time, because this is like the color of my hair when I was teens and in my youth. And I think it's really lovely. I wear wigs because they're fashion to me. Do I need wigs? I know people say a lot of times, oh, Mal, you look great with just your pixie, but it's too thin and I'm uncomfortable. If you're uncomfortable, do what makes you feel good. So my theory about and males be ageless is age is just a number. Don't let it define you. So you be you, and you do what makes you feel good. And if looking more youthful is for you, then do that. If I want to rock my silver pixie on days, I can do that. But I love the versatility of doing whatever I want to do. Remember, this comes in 4 different colors, small, medium, and large. This is super affordable. So I'm going to put a link down below of where you can check out this beautiful bob bang, and you want to go check her out, check out that price, and I'll leave a discount code. They're giving me a discount code for me to share with all of you. So be sure and take a look at it, because she's just perfect.